Hello, I am Kodili-nye, the son of the wonderful. We are going to discuss several things, but before we do, remember to subscribe, remember to share. We are going to discuss the importance of solar energy, the homeland. So this is me. We are going to discuss about solar energy and the need to have solar energy in the homeland. So we're going to discuss about this and stay tuned. Okay. Okay, this is solar energy or solar panels on these buildings. You can see the solar is in this building, and this is London, UK, a place that is normally cold and there is snow, but this is can be funded by the local governments in this country. They fund it, the local government or the government fund it, and the companies, electric companies, encourage you to put solar also in order to minimize the energy that are being used. So that's what is happening. So, and you can see you might be talking about this place is a very cold country. There are a lot of snow, a lot of bad weather, that they don't have sunshine. But sometimes the solar doesn't actually need sun. It do need sun, but sometimes if the weather is is bright, it can be charging the inverter or whatever, the batteries. So now this is what we are going to discuss now. As you have seen the solar issue, so let's gone down there because of so that we don't face the sun. So we are going to be discussing about how the government can actually, in our homeland, can actually solve this a shameful and disgraceful thing happening about having electricity. That over almost 60 years of independence, we cannot even have electric power supplied to people, 24-hour electricity. So now we are going to look at how our homeland can actually do that. Let me give, for example, Anambra State. If the government in Anambra State want to actually bring something like a change in this, especially in the renewal of renewable energy, which solar is part of it. What he can do is basically this is a solar mounted in this building. What he can do is that each building in the cities of Nnewi, Onitsha, Ekwulobia, and Oka can be funded. They can give them a loan that can actually be paid within 3 to 4 years. Or the government, the Anambra State government, can set up a solar energy, a solar company that will actually have also the ability to assemble or to produce solar panels in the state. And they can also be encouraged as like part of electrification of the whole city or the whole state, especially in the major urban areas, that people will be having something like guaranteed 12 to 20-hour electricity with solar. So the government will see to investing getting money from the central bank to set up this company. This company will supply the solar panels, supply the batteries, supply the inverters, everything installed on these houses. It has to do like a pilot scheme, whereas they can use like Awada or Ugwabobosi, part of the metropolitan city of Onitsha, whereby all the houses there will be installed to at least 5 kVA solar panel, solar energy. So this company will install it and will be recouping its money, the state, because it will be a state-owned company, will be recouping its money within the first 4 years. And after the 4 years, after he has recouped, or 5 years, he can spread it to 5 years. So after that, the person will now own the solar panels and other things. And remember, these things will create job in the homeland. It will also break this chain of poverty and joblessness in the homeland. It will also help in navigating this complaint and inadequate powers, and it also help to give people alternative to this EEDC or NEPA erratic power supply, which costs a lot of money. So supposing that the government is to invest between 3 million or 2.5 million to 3 million, and the rest can be paid by the landlord. Each of these buildings, they can pay like 1 million as a down payment. So the rest, or 1.5 million, the rest can be spread out to something like 4 to 5 years. And they are now sure of having electricity at least 16 hours to 20 hours. Electricity that is not compromised, that is not expensive, that is not difficult. You know, that you don't have bills to pay. And at the end of that, if they will finish paying the amount required, they can have the power to own those electric or solar equipments. So I don't know what you think about that. So remember, in this channel we bring in something that other people doesn't actually look, and what the politicians doesn't think about. The politicians are looking at the election, to win the election. They are not thinking deeper how to solve problems. Solar is something, is a win-win situation, because funding the company will be bringing a lot of revenue to the state. Because you can't be waiting for gas, whereas there's solar. You can form a company, you can form something like 4 companies. The government can form in partnership with private enterprise. The solar, it will be called Operation 20-hour electricity. 20-hour electricity or even 18 hours is more than enough. More than enough, because people tend to sleep like 6 hours. 6 hours. So 18 hours to 20 hours is more than enough. So I don't know what you think about this. In this channel, we are entertaining, we are informative, and we are educative. So go to the comment section. Let us discuss about this. Let us discuss about this electrical solar revolution. Solar revolution. Soludo to bring about solar revolution. We can call it like that, part 1. And we will be discussing more about this, because remember, we are here to bring something that other people dare not talk about. We are not lap dancers to anybody. We are here to improve the homeland. Our homeland must be livable and it must be prosperous homeland. And how we can do this thing is this innovation. Electricity is not a rocket science. The world has left us behind. We cannot continue to produce this poverty, hunger, and all sorts of things, homelessness and joblessness. We must change the narrative. We must bring about what can change the homeland. Please share.